Hello, so today our group report will be presenting the topic supermarket billing system. Before that, I will introduce the group members. So I'm Siti, Noorsyazwanie binti Ahmad Supiee, and second is Nurul Najwa binti Murtadha. Next member is Mathew, anak lelaki Philip John, and lastly is Sarvien, anak lelaki Maniselvam. So I will pass to Najwa to start the presentation.
Hi, my name is Nurul Najwa binti Murtadha, and my student ID is 120-110-1873. My group has created a supermarket management system, and we are going to present the source code. First, we're gonna look at the header file. We have hashtag include iostream, and we are also using namespace standard. Then we created a class named item details, and inside the class we have specified the access specifier as public so that the attributes are accessible from outside the class. Under it, we have declared item numbers as integer, item name as character, and item price as float because we have decimal or cents in price. Item name also holds an array of 50. Next, we have created another class named discounted items. And we have specified the item details class from just now so that we can store and get the attributes declared in that class. And then, under the class, specify as public, on line 70, we declared discount percent as float because we might have decimal as discount. We also declared the discounted price as float as it is price, as mentioned before. And inside the class, we defined a function named accept details. This function will ask the user to enter the item name, item number, item price, and also discount percent. We have used cout and cin to display the questions and store the details. Line 43 is to separate between items, and line 44 is the calculation for the discounted price. We are using simple math here, so there is no need to add headline like CMath at the beginning of the code. Then the discounted price is calculated by the formula discounted price equals to item price minus item price times discount percent and divide by 100. Then that's the end of my part in the source code. And now I will show what it looks like when we execute the program. First, the program will ask the user's name and greet the user. Then, after the user entered the correct username and password, the program will ask them to enter the item details and so the user is entering the item details, and after that, the program will calculate and display the discounted price in the system. I think that's all from me. Now my group mate Wani will present the next part. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Siti, Noorsyazwanie binti Ahmad Supiee, and my student ID is 111-305-224. Today, I will be presenting my part, which is from line 49 until line 59. Firstly, we need to type void display underscore details with empty parentheses, and then we need to open the curly bracket, then type cout item name, cout item number, cout item price, cout discount percent, and cout discounted price. At line 57, we put this as a border for the output later. From this, it will show the variable that we insert at here as what Najwa has been explained before. So here is the example of the output. It will show the item name, item number, item price, discount percent, and discounted price. One of the examples that I do is I put book as the item name and item number is 2001 and the book price is 50 ringgit. The discount percent for this book is 10% and the price after the discount is 45 ringgit. So Sarvien will explain more about this at the final part of the source code, and I will pass to Justin to explain his part. Thank you.
Hi sir, good evening. My name is Justin Mathew. My student ID number is 120110158. So for today, I will be talking about my part of this computer programming assignment, which is from line 61 to line 142. First and foremost, before starting the program, I've declared all my variables as string. So firstly, the program will ask the user for their name. Then a string will appear which will say, "Hi, welcome to the Peacock Supermarket," following with their name, and it will ask the user to enter their username and password, which is Peacock and Supiee. For this, I'm using one. If the users mistakenly typed in the wrong password or username, there will be an error message saying wrong password or wrong username. And please try again later. It will loop and keep on saying these sentences until the user keys in the correct password and username, and until username is equal to Peacock and password is equal to Supiee. And if the user keys in both the password and username correctly, it will bring the user to the next page. That's all from me, sir. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Sarvien and I'm going to explain the last part of our supermarket billing system. Okay, so first we will start with declaring the variables and also the array. When it asks how many items you want to enter, the user should key in the number of items. Then these are to prompt the users to enter the details and store it into array. It will accept details, display details, and also do the calculation for the discounted price. I will show the example on the other slide. First we enter how many items, which is 1. Then we enter the item name and also the item number. Then we enter the price of the cake, which is 4 ringgit, and also the discount percentage, which is 2. As here we can see, it displays all the details and also the price after the discount. Lastly, we can also see the total discount that has been made, which is 0.08, and the total price after the discount, which is 3 ringgit and 92 cents. That's all from me. Thank you. Hi Justin, I would like to ask you one question from your part. Can I know what will happen if we remove the system CLS from the source code?
Thank you for the question, Sarvien. So system CLS is basically a clear script. So as all of you have run the program, have gone through the program, you will realize when you enter your name and click enter, the previous script will vanish and the new screen will appear at the top of the screen, which is the next code. So when I don't put system CLS there, the previous line will appear, which is please enter your name. I did this just because to make it cleaner. I hope that I've answered your question. Another thing, as I was going through your source code, I just want to ask, why did it use bracket 100 instead of bracket 80 or 90 or other numbers? Furthermore, why was there a dot placed in between DT bracket I and accept details in the for loop? That means I meant like DT bracket I dot accept details. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you Justin for your question just now. For the first one, why I use bracket 100 is because it gives us more space for the user to store details in array. And for the second one, the dot after that is calling the functions which display the code from the function above. Thank you.
So that's all from our group. Thank you.